Here's an explorer I'll be teaching you. It's called a waterfall. It looks like this. It's a very nice way of airing out the cards like so. After like a cut, square everything up in a waterfall. It looks great if you right side like so. Okay. To execute the waterfall, make sure you have your hands open wide on your right hand like so. Like so. All you do is going to squeeze the pack. Your thumb is going to be the bottom left edge here. And your this remaining 4 fingers is going to rest along this short edge. So you just bend the cards so they can really see the air. Get rid of any air in between the cards. Okay. And now you just slowly release the pressure with your thumb and your 4 fingers like so. So squeeze, slowly release. It's pretty hard to say, so you have to slowly release the pressure till one by one the cards can from here release till you have no more cards left. So left hand is just going to hold it like so. No much special grip, just like this. So open your hand to catch the cards in the bottom. It will land somewhere here, the middle of this corner over here of your hand, sorry. So you're going to catch the cards. After that, this is the ending position. You could be in. Just knock the cards to the left, so you back in to the script. So you fold like this. So it's like this. Yeah. Once more from the side.